Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Outreach CRM personalization with dynamic fields, complete guide step by step clearly. To enable Outreach CRM personalization with dynamic fields, start by logging into your Outreach account. Once logged in, navigate to the Settings menu located on the left sidebar. In the Settings menu, locate the section labeled User Settings or Account Settings. Click on Templates to access the template management. From here, select the template you wish to personalize or create a new one by clicking on the Create Template button. Once in the template editor, look for the Dynamic Fields option. Click on Dynamic Fields to open the Dynamic Fields menu. Choose the type of dynamic field you want to include, such as contact fields, company fields, or user fields. After selecting the appropriate field type, drag and drop the desired field into your email or message template. Customize the placement of the dynamic field to suit your message format. You can add multiple dynamic fields if needed, ensuring they align with your personalization strategy. Next, review the list of available dynamic fields to ensure you select the correct ones for your audience. Once you have added your dynamic fields, compose the rest of your message around them. Preview your template to see how the dynamic fields will appear in the final message. Make any necessary adjustments for style or content to ensure a polished final product. After finalizing your template, click the Save button to store your changes. Now, when you send messages using this template, the dynamic fields will automatically populate with relevant information from your contacts. This feature enhances personalization and increases engagement with your recipients. To test your setup, send a test email to yourself or use a test contact before deploying it broadly. Once confirmed, your outreach campaigns will now benefit from enhanced personalization through dynamic fields. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.